I'm Eugene Komchak, Editor-in-Chief at Traders Union. In this review, I'll take a closer look at LBX, a broker that provides access to over 200 financial instruments, including Forex pairs, metals, indices, energies, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The company supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which remain industry standards for technical trading and automated strategies. LBX also integrates a copy trading service, allowing users to follow selected strategy providers and automatically replicate their trades. The broker offers standard and raw spread accounts, each with distinct pricing structures, one featuring wider spreads without commissions and the other offering tighter spreads with a fixed commission. From my professional perspective, LBX delivers a balanced trading environment with sufficient flexibility for different experience levels. The variety of instruments supports diversification, while the copy trading option provides an accessible entry point for those new to the markets. Being part of the Libertex Group, which operates under established regulation, also contributes to transparency and operational reliability.